Fourth knife. We're doing pretty good, you guys. Let's see. This guy actually has a cloth. All right, let's put that back in the box here. Natural G10, J10 on this one. And what's the name on this bad boy? This one is the ST128, Sitivien ST128. All right, so they use a lot of numbers. Kind of wish that they would use some model names, so that would be a little bit easier to remember. So the green on this G10 is a little bit stronger than this green here. Right, so that's something that I noticed right off the bat. And no flipper on this one. It is a thumb deployment reverse flick type of knife. See some jimping going on right here at the top, right? Exposed liners. I can tell this guy is milled in the inside, all right? And it actually feels like a good amount of weight. Doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel light either. So somewhere in a happy medium. So let's go ahead and deploy the thing. Bam, check it out. Okay. Take a look at here, you guys. So D2 flat grind stone wash finish going on in this bad boy, and this blade gives me a lot of Reich P801 vibes. All right, let me see. Right, clearly I'm not saying anybody copied anybody, but right, very similar blade right there. Right, same flat grind going on for the most part, and yeah, just a little bit maybe wider on this one, a little bit narrower on the Reich P801. But yeah, that's what came to mind right away, just first impression. And I want to say ergonomics on this guy, right? Not bad at all, right? You can grip this guy really good. Some additional jimping going on right at the bottom here. Some jimping going on at the top there as well. If you want to go ahead and get some thumb support for some bushcrafting or what have you, that's going to be really good. Another drop point blade as well. So a lot of these sort of follow the same drop point design. It's very interesting. It is a liner lock on ball bearings, and yeah, the one hand closing is perfect. Go ahead and can I reverse flick? Come on now. Well, let me reverse flick a little. No, I'm not sure. Can I do it with my left hand? I sure can. And the pocket clip is tip up, deep carry for the most part, except it's not milled on the other side for some reason. Right, for my lefties out there, they are using big hardware on this guy. So big hardware going on here, right? TA all around from what I can see. Pivot, body screws, and this guy has seen some use, that's for sure. There's even a little bit of sharpening, I guess, happened here as well at some point. You can tell Andy, yeah, put into work, and he said that on his note, right, that he has been using these knives for a long time, and they still holding a good edge. Good access to the lock bar right here, thanks to this cutout, which is nice, right? And then you can just one hand close, perfect. The only maybe sunk on this one is I wish you could reverse flick. I'm wondering if you could. Yeah, no front deployment on this one. Come on now. I want to say yes, you have a lot more room right here thanks to that cutout for your thumb to access, not so much on the other side, which makes a reverse flick. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second now, y'all. Wait a second. Okay, I might just take a a little bit of getting used to. I'm over here talking crap. So yes, reverse flick option going on right there. It's a little bit on the rough side, I'll tell you that, but it is possible. All right, maybe you just got to get used to it. But yeah, overall, very nice knife right here with lanyard hole in the back. You're into that, exposed liners all throughout, right? Nice and comfortable. Man, we're running out of room here. We got the 4 knives right there, and man, oh man, am I impressed with these knives. I'm surprised, more YouTubers don't talk about these, because these are pretty solid. Again, I don't know the exact pricing for them, but you bet I'm going to look them up in Amazon. I'm going to put affiliate links in the description for you all to check these guys out, because I mean, right off the bat, I am very impressed. This last one, I don't know. This one has a lot going for it right there. Very impressed with the blade shape and design on this one. You guys let me know, which one was your favorite out of all of these? Which one did you like the most? Which one were you the most impressed with out of all these? Well, there you have it, guys. Again, huge shout out and thanks to Glory Bound EDC, Andy. There is his Instagram right there. Again, check him out. And you guys know the drill by now. I'm going to go ahead and EDC these one at a time for some time here. I'm gonna reach out to Andy. Hopefully he lets me borrow them for a little bit of time, so I have enough time to EDC them, gather some feedback to share with you all. Right, this was just an unboxing and first impression. I will be doing you a disservice if we call this a review, because I just got these knives for the first time. It is the first time that I'm seeing them, so clearly I have to put them in my pocket, carry them, do some EDC tasks, and come back to you guys and share all the feedback about these knives with you all. So I'm excited for that, especially this last one. I don't know why. This one, okay, me personally, guys, I'm just gonna call it, this one was my favorite. I don't know why. This one was my favorite. Second favorite. These two are the same, so I would call this fourth favorite. And last but not least, this guy right here. So that's it. You guys let me know in the comments which one do you like the most, right? If you haven't subscribed already, this will be a great time to smash that subscribe button, and hey, go ahead and like the video if you don't mind. It does help the video get pushed to a larger audience and the channel grow as well, so more people can find out content, awesome EDC and knife content like this. If you want to support the channel a step further, there is a Patreon link down below, so you can support the channel for as little as $1 a month. If you made it this far, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you all so much for all your support. Andy, you're the bomb.com, my friend. Brother, I appreciate your support and sending these knives for me to check out. I really can't thank you enough. You all have a great day. Take care, and I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.